24 divided by 8, then times this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 plus 2. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. First, we do this parentheses. 1 plus 2 gives us just 3. So 8 times 3, which equals 24. And 24 divided by this. So 24 divided by 24, which equals just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do these parentheses, okay? Then after this parentheses, we have to do this division, okay? Not this multiplication, because multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. We have here a multiplication, okay? So first, this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. So we have 24 divided by 8, then times 3. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first, this division, 24 divided by 8, which equals just 3. 24 divided by 8 gives us 3. So 3 times 3, which equals 9. That means our final answer to this problem is just 9. The correct answer is 9.